Hi everyone, so I'm back with another video, and this is the LEVINO colorful nail art. So this is a little polygel kit that I found on Amazon. I was drawn to the packaging and the price point was really good. I think it was like $20. I just was like, I need this little polygel kit because, you know, I have the McCart ones and I have a couple others like the Beetles, but I wanted to try something different. So I went out on a whim and it was like, all right, I'm gonna order this, but I really love the packaging. So when you open it up, it opens up like this little box. And here's the card. I thought this was kind of neat because a lot of times it's like a pamphlet and it just folds open. It just says LEVINO's colorful nail art, and then you have your instructions right here. So it just goes over the basic, you know, how to, clean your nails, apply a thin layer of base coat, select the appropriate duoform. You know the drill. Okay. Here's the kit itself. I really was drawn to the colors. They really are pretty, like a lot of teals, blues. So comes with what you see here, 15 grams, looks like 15 grams, 0.5 ounces of polygel. Then you get your polygel brush. And it's the standard, as we all know, with the spatula on one end and the brush on the other. It's cute. I like, the more tapered the brush, the better, in my opinion. Little file, nothing special. There's nothing written on it, not even the grit. So here are your duoforms, and they look like they're all curved. So I would just probably use other ones that I have that are more flatter, but these are all curved. You get your top coat, base coat, and it does include a slip solution. So I don't think there's any, sometimes there's like surprises underneath. Now, just blah. So I'm gonna do some swatches of these, and I just wanna try it out and see how well it works. So let's get started. So this is B003, B002. I'm randomly selecting the tubes, so I'm not going in any order, but that's really pretty. A005. Here is your clear. B004 and A006. That's a really pretty blue. Okay, so I have my little nail here prepped and ready to go. I put the base coat on, and I'm using the Not Polish long straight Coffin stilettos, which are one of my favorites. So guys, when I tell you this blends like butter, I am not kidding. I am really impressed with this polygel kit. I've never heard of this name. I'm just like kind of, look at this, I'm like globbing everything together, but it's really so workable. It's more workable than most kits that I have tried. And you know, too, it also could be the temperature in my room because I have the vent kind of closed, so it's not super duper cold in here. And when I do my acrylics, I also open the window and I have like an exhaust fan that helps with the with the fumes, because it really does. It bothers my daughter and the puppy and me. Sometimes it does get a little strong, but this polygel, I'm really impressed. Again, it's very workable, and the slip solution from Beetles works with it just as well as their slip solution. So I'm just gonna finish this up, and I will have a couple nails to show you, but I highly recommend this kit. It's either $18.99 or $19.99. I know it's super cheap on Amazon. So, yep, I'm really happy with it.